The purpose of this experiment is to observe the current and voltage relationships using Kirchhoff laws for current and voltage behaviors in circuits. In this experiment, a complex circuit with various resistance values will be used to measure the current distribution at the nodes and the voltage drops in the circles and compare them with theoretical calculations. In this way, the accuracy of Kirchhoff laws will be tested experimentally. In this experiment, I used multimeter, DC power supply which is 10 volt, two identical resistors with different values, crocodile cable sets, and variable resistors. You can see that it is my first resistor which has 150 ohm and the second which is 240 ohm and the other resistor is 180 ohm, and right now you can see the power supply which is set as 10 volt and you can see the variable resistor and also you can see my multimeter. After setting up the circuit, I adjust the variable resistor in 5 cm increments each time and took notes of the readings on the voltmeter. I also specifically note the point where the reading was 0 and recorded it. In conclusion, the experiment introduced Kirchhoff's laws through a typical Phys setup. The key point was adjusting the variable resistor. Thanks to the variable resistor and the application of Kirchhoff laws, we could observe that electricity naturally prefers the path of least resistance. The logic behind this phenomenon is that the voltage differences between parallel paths should balance out. In a Phys bridge, the expected outcome is the difference between the products of the voltage across opposite resistors makes the voltmeter's reading. As the variable resistor was adjusted, the first product decreased while the second increased, eventually causing the voltmeter to read 0. However, in this experiment, slightly negative readings appeared, likely due to the errors such as resistor heating over time. Despite this, the general behavior and the sign of the measured values matched our expectations. Now let's continue with the results of this experiment. In here you can see the experimental volt values which change with L. And here there is my theoretical values. I also calculated the error percentage which depends on L, and I have also a plot which depends on the L.